We are in the world-renowned island of Boracay, which has one of the best beaches in the entire world. And this is a hectare's worth of Mediterranean landscaping and oceanside views. It has the most amazing oceanside views. This is a rare listing and you can't find properties like this in Boracay. It's gonna be an amazing tour. So as you enter from the main entrance, you have, of course, the guardhouse, and then beyond that, you have this. Now, mind you, we have over a hectare of land to cover, so let's get right into it. So you have a pathway here on the left, which will lead you to more of the villas, which, by the way, you have 12 villas, each of which have around 3 units. So that's around 42 units in total, more or less, because it depends on some of the units, you can convert them. Right, so this main pathway will lead you to these sloping roads, which are so fun to look at and also to drive in. So you have some parking, and then you can't really see it from the road, but there are solar panels on the roofs. So yes, this is actually the first solar-powered hotel here in the island. So you have a pathway here as well. So you have these fun little strips, right? But we're not going to go through there, we're going to go through here. And you can see that one of the villas have this kind of staircase layout. It's beautiful, isn't it? Now, mind you, this is the back of the villa. So you'll see the front in a bit. So the main road is generally lined with trees. And it's just so relaxing when you hear the wind rustle through the leaves. And then here we have a sort of rotunda for people though. You can see more of the other villas, right? So they generally have the same layout internally, almost similarly, but the exterior is a little bit different just because of the layout of the place. Which again is very interesting. So you have these winding pathways, like this one, like the stairs. So over here you can kind of see the sea or the ocean, but it gets so much better. Obviously, since this is an oceanside hotel, all or almost all of the units have a clear view of the ocean. You can already imagine what that looks like, especially if you've been to Boracay. But if you haven't, you should definitely come here. Now, going down these steps, you can see that this is the main winding pathway that aren't stairs. So we're gonna go down this pathway, but over there you have the gym. You also have other service areas around the property. And then this one. Okay, so we're not gonna go inside all of the villas because, as I mentioned earlier, it's around 42. So it's gonna take forever if we do that, but I can show you this one. So there's only one unit that's a 3-bedroom, which has 250 square meters of floor space, but the 1-bedroom has 90 square meters and the 2-bedroom has 100 and... Oh, hold on, let's check this one out first. Magnets. All right, so as you enter this unit, you have a living area, a dining, and a kitchen. And of course, you have access or sliding doors that have a clear view of that ocean. So almost all of the units have balconies. Actually, scratch that, all of the units have balconies. It's just that most of them will have this kind of view. So you have different perspectives. It's so nice and peaceful, right? So I'm just gonna show you this 1-unit bedroom. Okay, so from your living area, you have your dining and then your kitchen. And then the room itself, pretty spacious, with entertainment, a vanity, and then an ensuite toilet and bath, with his and her sinks, a toilet, and a bathtub. Now, you don't need to worry about the windows. They are frosted for all of the units. And see, even the 1-bedroom has very spacious areas. So you can already expect that the bigger units are gonna have more. Imagine just staying here for an extended period, right? Okay. All right. So the upper units are gonna be a different layout, of course, but let's go around the next villa. This is the office, by the way. But even that has a nice little balcony. Okay, so this is the main pathway, right? But even with the tiled pathways leading to the other villas, you can see that it's nice and winding and multi-layered. And then you have pocket gardens like this one where you can just hang out and chill, soak up the sun rather, or even, as in our case, like whenever, I hope you can tell that it's very windy, right? So it's nice and breezy, fresh air and everything. Coupled with the fact that you have this beautiful Mediterranean style, right, throughout the entire resort, or hotel rather. So it gives this air of, I mean, just look at that. It's like you're in a capsule, and you're here, it's quiet and it's peaceful, and you just have your own space with a view of the ocean. Okay, so let's follow this pathway so that I can show you the 2-bedroom unit, which I cut myself off earlier. The 2-bedroom unit is about 140 square meters. Right, it's very spacious. Very idyllic for family vacations. So the setting, the location, the views, the units themselves, vacation worthy. Ah, look at that, it's so beautiful. All the layers in the villas, you can see, right? We love touring places like this. Hopefully you guys do too. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. I'm sorry, it's so windy. Also, if you want to see more of our listings, make sure you check out our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. And now, it's time to go into the unit. So immediately upon entering the door, you can tell that there's so much more space. So you have this beautiful living area, and then right behind that you have a dining area. So it's basically just one massive open space. And then in the middle, you have a kitchen. Oh, by the way, I think I did mention it earlier. All of the units have kitchens, and that's the reason why it's quite spacious. So it's fully equipped too, so you can cook in here, like proper family vacation. You have a common toilet and bath over here, bedroom 1, and then bedroom 2. So this one is the master bedroom, you could say, which also has access to a balcony, as well as its own ensuite toilet and bath. Again, with his and hers sinks, a toilet, and then a bathtub shower combo. Very relaxing. Oh, sorry. Let's go over here. And then, of course, it wouldn't be complete without that view. Oh, this one's so much closer too. I mean, it doesn't matter though, like any villa or unit you get, you have a beautiful view. But this one though, wow. It's gorgeous. You can see the islands and everything. And the water, and actually the depth, hopefully. No, actually, you know what? Pretty sure the B-rolls are doing it justice. You guys know just how beautiful this place is. Let's, oh, some of them also have roof decks, like this unit. So if you go up, there's a roof deck. Some of the villas have the solar panels. So again, first hotel here in the island to be powered by solar energy. Let's go back. I love how they made use of the landscape, or the landscaping, because it's not just about the ocean, right? It's just the overall garden-like escape that you're staying in. All right, so this here, beyond all of the trees, is the central part, or the reception area for the entire hotel. And it's also where the restaurant is. Currently, though, it's not operational, it's closed, so you can't really go in, but at least you know that it's there, and it's right by the swimming pool. All right, so this sprawling garden full of Mediterranean goodness. And when I say that, when you look at it from any angle, that's what it reminds you of. And even when you look at it from the ocean, you'll see all of the layers, and it will remind you of the Mediterranean type of architecture. Also, look at that view. You have these natural rock formations that are just so nice to look at. Okay, so in all of my talking about the sprawling and how much pathways you have to choose from going around the entire hotel or the entire resort, basically, you have 13,000 square meters of floor area, so that's all of the villas. Estimated more or less, so it's like 13 to 14,000 square meters of floor area between the villas. And again, it kind of Changes depending on the unit. That's why it's a more or less. And 10,438 square meters of lot area. That's over a hectare of land. That looks like this. Look at that. So this is the swimming pool area right in front of the restaurant that I mentioned earlier. And this is your view. That it's like the swimming pool just blends into the rest of the ocean. It's gorgeous. Okay, and then we have, of course, the lounge area, the covered lounge, the exposed lounge, of course, if you want some sunbathing. And then we have some stairs that lead to the viewing deck. So that is where we're gonna have our recap. Oh, of course, we have some very sexy and very juicy B-rolls. That so beautiful. I can't state that enough. But for now, let's recap with the numbers. So you have 10,493 square meters of lot area. I would like to correct myself from earlier. And then around 13 to 14,000 square meters of floor area between 42 units or 12 villas, again each containing 3 units. You have so many pathways going in and out and around these villas that give you these layers with beautiful landscaping and views of the ocean. This is such a rare property find that I will be super happy for the person who owns this because it is gorgeous. All right, well, that being said, again, this is in Boracay Island. You know just how beautiful this island is. And I can't wait for you guys to see this for yourself. So if you're anyone you know is interested in a place like this, please do send this video to them so that they can also see this beaut. Or if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.